on Monday like this, people then what they do, we no go gree, gather like a fly, go take over the entrance to National Assembly building inside Abuja. They ask, say, may they come explain to them koro in a way they will understand that compulsory electronic transmit of election results and all of the igi-aga cho way cover this Electoral Act change then what did they do? Oga Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate for 2023, don't follow join people where they do this, we no go gree for National Assembly inside Abuja on top this election act. This we no go gree, people don't swear. They promise say they go face those lawmakers on top the report of say Senate reject that clause where say they must by force do electronic transfer of election results. Though Senate don't come out to come they talk and clear say no, they did not say any giaga inside their position, but this will not go gree, people they insist say say the lawmaker koro put down say real-time electronic transmission. Now they don't tight up security for that place. People from Nigeria Police Force, Nigeria Army, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, they make sure everywhere calm, everywhere sweet, even as they will not go gree, they continue.